Hi, I'm Crystal, and today I have a craft tip for you. This is mainly about junk journals for me. Like today, I'm going to reuse this old notebook cover. I used up the pages long ago, and I'm going to refill it with this used brown paper packing material from grocery bags, primarily. But they're a little too crumpled for me to use comfortably. Well, I'm going to iron them. So this will work for any type of craft, whether you are a junk journaler, card maker, watercolor painter, what have you. Instead of putting your craft under something heavy or running it through a laminator or a die cut machine with no die, don't overlook the opportunity of your clothes iron. Now, if you have got paper that is badly crumpled or watercolor painting that is curled up, you do just want to be careful if there is ink or paint, because you don't want to transfer that to your iron. So if I've got something that's got ink, whether because it was printed or because I've crafted, I do cover the project or the paper with a clean tea towel. But then I'm just turning the iron up to the cotton setting and going to town. Also, if the paper will take it, you can mist it with a little bit of water. But this method is much faster than putting everything under a heavy dictionary and just waiting for time to pass. So I find that if I use the tea towel when there's ink or paint, nothing transfers to my iron and the paper gets much easier to work with. So you can see that my stack of pages now is much flatter. I have not lost the character of the paper, but it's going to be much easier for me to work with. So once I fold up the pages, I've got my signatures ready to sew together to put inside this notebook cover and give it brand new life. So I hope this tip is helpful to you, and I thank you for joining me today.